Solid investment advice for anyone looking to invest their money. Making an investment in the stock market is something many people will do at some time in their lifetime. There are steps you can take to learn more about your choices, minimize your risk, create a diversified portfolio, and generally, invest with more confidence. Here are some tips that will help you to intelligently navigate the world of the stock market. When investing in stocks, it's important that you keep things as simple as possible. Keep your investment strategies such as examining data points, making predictions, and trading real simple to help ensure you don't take on too many risks on companies or stocks without having market security. Learn about the fees you'll be paying before you choose a broker. There will be entry fees and other fees that could be deducted upon exiting, as well. Over time, these things can add up, so double check to be safe. Remember that individual stocks do not necessarily represent the entire market. A decent stock may soar while the overall market tanks, while a bad stock may plunge in value when the rest of the market is thriving. This is why it's a good idea to diversify the types of stock you own, choosing stocks from a variety of companies in many different industries. Aim for investing in stocks from companies that are financially sound and have earning growth that are above the market average. There are over 6,000 publicly traded companies in the United States stock markets, available to choose from. However, applying these criteria reduces your target pool of stocks to just around 200 choices to invest in. These suggestions should help you to become a more savvy investor. While there's no guarantee you'll become the next stock market mogul, a better understanding of investment basics will go a long way in making smart money decisions. Here's hoping all your future investment choices will result in a healthy return. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthelemy MC.